oh, like I got this really great guy. He can cut you anything you want. He can make anything happen. His name is Josh, and he's the best, and he cuts parts. Hey Josh, it's your boy. Yeah, we got a shop tour coming up for you guys. It's a good friend of mine and a guy that I do business with when I need parts cut, metal cut, that kind of stuff, belly pans, lugging buckets, that kind of stuff. He's another local contractor. We try mostly to support kind of those kinds of people that are out there doing it on their own, you know, kind of trying to break away from the whole corporate mold type of thing. So yeah, we work together. I've known him for a long time, and we both kind of got into business within a few years of each other, you know, for ourselves, and bounce a lot of jobs off each other, right? So it's always good to have contacts. So we're going to try to get you more of that stuff. It's kind of, I don't know what you want to call them, the industries that we work with, the other sides of things. You know, I don't do everything on my own. Sub jobs, like if I need parts cut or stuff fabricated, sometimes I don't have time to do that all myself. Check out his shop tour. See that? Oh, for f***'s sakes, you're turning the truck off until we're done. Jeez. The worst timing, this kid. Oh, I'm just kidding. Did Josh say nice things about me?
You have anything to say about Cam?
Not that I want to say on camera, no. Cam's a really good dude. I don't know, I think we start with a plasma cutter. Probably, I mean, that's the coolest thing in here, I think. Yeah, this is my CNC plasma cutter. It does my job for me, essentially. It's my employee that doesn't sleep or eat or take a break. Yeah.
Well, when I need parts cut, or I just want to have a good laugh, I call my good friend. Shut the f. Just out of nowhere, he just starts rambling. I've taught you well. Good job. Bye for now.